All right. I am a procrastinator. I have made many decisions to not make decisions. I have started projects and failed to complete them. I have failed and succeeded in family and business. And I have been, by grace, allowed to live on this earth long enough to apologize, humble myself, make changes, do some things different. And today, I'd like to plant, well, I'm not going to plant anything today, but garden boxes. We had a garden over there before, and now it's a pond. Actually, it's two ponds, one there and one there. Kids love them, dogs love them, whatever. And we've been turning this in from kind of a rough wilderness into kind of a grassy land. I let it grow to attract bees and birds, because when we first got here it was really barren. I mean, there was tansies and stuff, because they'll come in, but other than that there was really nothing going on here. So I brought in a little bit of dirt and I threw down some seed and some clover and whatnot, and then I just kind of let it come and go. The horses do eat it and poop in here, and then I drag that around, and we've just been building up materials. So this has really turned into something nice. I'll never have a golf course, but I don't want a golf course. I want it to be sturdy, because we do graze the horses through the yard. And they really like it. Right, Spencer? Relax, Finn. What's up, bud? You a good boy? Yeah. Spencer's a 30-year-old fella. And he's doing well. Right, Abby? Right, girl? Huh? These guys are so spoiled, but they're fosters. She'd given birth a couple times and messed up her hip. So she doesn't get ridden. Once in a while I'll let one of the grandkids on her just to walk around a little bit, but other than that she just really hangs out, right? Yeah, back at it. As you can see, Finley, our terrier, is just terrified. So we do have some of these features and different places where I'm letting grow and then die and then clean it up. And right here, we decided to move the gardens. So my wife wanted them closer to the house. There's the house. There's the site. And I did talk to my septic guy, and he said as long as I wasn't compacting the soil too much, which I'm not going to, where it'll probably actually be, I don't know, a little bit of walking on there, but not much traffic, and it's just going to be a couple boxes. So we're going to put garden boxes there, and maybe put some raspberries along the edge of the yard there. And I am probably gonna put some more stuff down here and put some trellis up and climb some squash and things of that nature. So we'll have other stuff up there. Anyway, so we get full sun. That's east, west, So that's really nice. We do live in zone 3, northern Minnesota, so it's a shorter season, but not too bad. There was this gardening show I watched. The guy was making boxes and whatnot, and I think it's OYR gardening. He has his garden in a small yard, but he's just got massive amounts of growth. And he was making 4x8 boxes out of 2x10 and capping them with 2x4. I'm doing kind of the same thing, but I'm going to use 2x12 because, I don't know, it just feels like the drainage would be a little more controllable, and you know, there'd just be more dirt there, more kind of stuff going on. Maybe it would need a little bit less watering. I'm not sure. In my head though, it felt like to put some weed cloth on the bottom and hardware cloth and stuff like that, and making it 2x12s plus a 2x4 on top, so that's, you know, about 13.5 inches. You know, so you get a good strong 12-inch depth. Clearly the plants won't need that much, but you know, maybe you get a carrot that wants to, you know, just, it seems like they would have an easier time getting nutrients out of the soil if it had more soil there. So that's that. So that's my 2x12s. There's some hardware cloth put to the bottom of it, and I don't know if any of y'all are Doctor Who fans, but whoever sees this might find this as interesting. I built this for my daughter for her 16th birthday. So anyway, there's that. This is my soil collection. That's a pretty heavy blend of topsoil, black dirt, horse manure, hay, chicken manure, and it's been seasoning for about 4 years. Been turning that stuff. I think she's, well, it sure grows weeds good, so I'm gonna take a shot at growing some seeds. Future greenhouse project. I don't know. I just hadn't put up a video, and I thought I'd just kind of throw it up there. Any comments are welcome, constructive criticism. I'm just trying to kind of build a community of guys that are new at this or good at this and looking to help somebody or give some advice. I get all my stuff online, and I make some mods if I care to. So yeah, this will have, I'll square this up and then reinforce the corners. And this is actually the bottom, so I'll get the stuff off on the bottom here. Reinforce the corners, and then, you know, reinforce the edges along the way so that the rails have something to sit on and such. So that's it for now. You guys have a great day.